And on to the big breaking news coming in from Kashmir as we speak. It's a big success for our forces in the valley top. Lashkar commander Basit Dar has been neutralized in the Kulgam encounter. In fact, a confirmation has also come in from the IGP Kashmir, who says amongst the two terrorists is also Basit, who was involved in several attacks and killings of civilians. So we're talking about top Lashkar commander Basit Dar carrying 10 lakh reward, who was trapped in the house where the exchange of fire was going on, who has been neutralized. So this is the massive success coming in for security forces in the latest as part of the Kulgam encounter. Like I said, a confirmation of the same has come in from the IGP Kashmir. Listen in.
Security forces को एक इत्तला मिली थी regarding the movement of terrorists in this area. So after that, police forces and security forces, along with army and CRPF, have cordoned this area. And जब cordon चल ही रहा था तो उसमें से अंदर से फायर आया, उसके बाद एक ऑपरेशन स्टार्ट हुआ जो कि पूरी रात चला और आज दोपहर तक ये कंक्लूड हुआ. तो इस ऑपरेशन में 2 टेररिस्ट मारे गए हैं, तो उनकी बॉडीज रिट्रीव हो गई हैं. अभी सर्च ऑपरेशन थोड़ा सा और कंक्लूड है. कई बार जो डेब्रीज या कोई एक्सप्लोजिव होते हैं तो उसके क्लियरेंस के लिए अभी ऑपरेशन चल रहा है. इसमें जो टेररिस्ट है, हमने पूरा ड्यू डिलिजेंस के साथ इनिशियल उसमें वी हैव गिवन देम opportunity as per law to come out and surrender, but however they have not heeded to the caution by police and security forces, and they again ensued that firing on security forces. So in this operation, 2 terrorists got neutralized. One is identified as Basit Dar. He belongs to TRF A category, and it is a significant achievement for us. Reason being that he was very much involved into almost more than 18 cases in Srinagar city also, killing of police personnel and innocent civilians also. And also he was involved in the planning and carrying out attacks and planning of conspiracy to attack upon minorities and police forces and civilians.
Abhijit, was he involved in the killing of ML Bindru, the chemist who got killed in 2021?
There are details regarding that.
Let me quickly go across to Ishan Wani joining us on the phone line. Ishan, the IGP Kashmir confirms to us that this was top Lashkar commander Basit Dar, who's been neutralized by our forces in the Kulgam encounter. Also gave a brief background into who he is, how he's involved in at least 80 plus cases of civilian killings and also security personnel.
Well, yes, absolutely right. Basit was somebody who was synonymous with violence in Jammu and Kashmir during the 2001, 2021, 22 and 23. When he joined these ranks, he was extremely dangerous in terms of trying to attack security forces and also civilians. We saw several minority attacks taking place. The police had blamed him for carrying out and being the mastermind of these attacks. His importance for this encounter can be got from the fact that National Investigation Agency had announced a bounty of 10 lakh rupees for anyone providing his information. Basit was a resident of Kulgam, where the encounter has taken place. He was instrumental in Srinagar city as well. Police has in the past blamed him for at least 18 attacks. There are 18 FIRs have been registered against him. Cash rewards have been announced for him. And he was one of those faces which had taken over the Lashkar or the TRF in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly the Kashmir region. There were attacks on Kashmiri Hindus, minorities, civilians, policemen, where his name had surfaced whenever the police was investigating. He was active in Srinagar city as well, and then he might have shifted his base to Kulgam. But as IGP mentioned, that it's a big success for them, given the fact that he has been killed in this particular encounter along with his associate. The police are still searching the area, searching the debris. But yes, a significant success just before the elections, when the other side is trying to destabilize Jammu and Kashmir in terms of before the elections, creating a ruckus so that the voting percentage does not go up. But yes, Basit's importance is that 10 lakh rupees reward on him, involved in more than 18 cases and 18 FIRs. And, there were multiple searches by the NIA on his associates or those people who he had met in the past, trying to crack down on him. But yes, finally today, He has been killed in this encounter. The encounter raised yesterday when the security forces had information about the presence of these militants. During the night time, there was no exchange of gunfire that took place. Security forces took caution to ensure, because this being a high-profile encounter,
Okay.
during the
Ishan,
night
it's
they
a
stayed
big
there.
win for our security forces as part of the Kulgam encounter. Many thanks for breaking down all of those details for us. It's time for us to head into a very short break. We'll be right back. You're watching CNN News 18.